There's a Zulu word, Ubuntu. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, Ubuntu is actually not just a Zulu word, it's actually a philosophy which is practiced in Africa. Ubuntu says, I am because of you, and you are because of me, and together we are. A visiting American professor came to South Africa one day and found some children playing in a village, and he said, right, I want to teach you a new game. And he got them together and he put a whole lot of fruit on one side of the room, and he got them to queue up on the other side. And he said, right, I'm going to count you down. And he started at 5 and went right down to 0. And he said, when I get to 0, I want you all to run, and whoever gets to the fruit first can have it all. And what the children did next absolutely shocked the professor, because what they did was they joined hands, walked towards the fruit, and they shared the fruit. And so he asked the little girl, why did you do that? And she said, because of Ubuntu. How can I be happy when the others are sad? And I think this is an important lesson for us all, because Ubuntu teaches us that we are connected, and what happens to one person has an effect on others, and that our humanity can only be defined in our interaction with each other, and that we are connected as people. So something happening in Sierra Leone will impact what's happening in the United States, something like Ebola. There's a connection, and if we just ignore things that are happening, and if we ignore an opportunity to interact with people, this is how we end up having wars, this is how we end up having famine and disease spread all over the world. And so Ubuntu teaches us that we have to connect, and we've got to get away from being isolationists, and we've got to understand that together we can make the world a better place. Together we can make the world a good place to live, because although competition will benefit one or a few, cooperation will benefit us all. And that's what Ubuntu is about, the fact that we can benefit each other as human beings.